So today's topic is steps involved in marketing research process. So before entering into the topic, we must understand what is marketing research. Marketing research is a scientific approach considering any company, maybe that company is product-based company or service-sector company, that company must estimate what are the opportunities exist in the market or what are the threat exist in the market. Or if the company is facing some problem, this is the finest tool. By using this tool, the company can solve that problem. Now, what are the main features of a marketing research? Marketing research is a scientific approach. So by applying this marketing research, we can find out some scientific data. Okay, it is required to solve the present problem. Most of the cases, marketing research is applicable to solve some present problem, and few companies, they also go through this process to identify some futuristic problem, and also they use this tool to solve those futuristic problems also. So it is one of the finest tool in the marketing process. It is applicable for marketing process. Definitely, if you want to apply this marketing research, you need a marketing process. Without marketing process, we cannot perform this marketing research. It is expensive. Definitely, marketing research is very expensive because to perform marketing research, we need specialized people. We need electronic devices. We need the sophisticated tools, and you have to pay for that. For that purpose, marketing research is very much expensive. It is time-bound process. To solve any problem for a particular company, there is a time limit always, because if you solve a problem, if you cannot solve a problem within a particular time frame, then the solution is neither it is applicable for the company nor it is beneficial for the company. So definitely marketing research is a time bound process, and success of a company depends on good marketing research, because marketing research can solve a problem, can solve the existing problem as well as some futuristic problem. So success of a company definitely depends on the good marketing research. Now the steps involved in marketing research process. Number one, the first step is identification and defining the problem. See, to solve any problem, first of all, we must identify it. And in case of marketing research, it is the same. First of all, we must identify and define the problem. And this particular point always comes first. And if we can do this thing properly, then automatically we can identify the research objective. We can develop the research technique. Also, we can also have some sorts of understanding that what extent of information we need for that. So these 3 points comes under this identification and defining the problem, and these 3 points are extremely important considering the steps involved in marketing research process. The second point is statement of research objective. After identifying the problem, we must understand what are the objectives. Now, considering the objectives sometimes are qualitative and sometimes are quantitative. Considering marketing research process, it is not always necessary that we must quantify the exact data. Sometimes we must go for some certain data, but it is sometimes applicable for qualitative objectives and sometimes it is applicable for quantitative objectives. And as per the requirement, we must go for that. The third step is planning the research design. It is very much important. Earlier, we have discussed that the marketing research process is a scientific process. So to perform this process, we must develop a master plan for that. That is the planning of the research designing. It is very much required, because without master plan, we cannot perform a marketing research process, because marketing research process is a very extensive process. To perform well, we must need a master plan. Second is needed information. So what are the information we exactly need, or what are the information actually we are looking for? That particular thing is very much important. We cannot collect all the informations. So this point is very much important, that needed information. What are the information we must collect? So that point is very much important. And third one is data collection method, in which way we collect the data. Several data collection processes there, and nowadays due to the advancement of technology, we can collect the data from the electronics media, from the print media, or any other process we can collect through survey. So we must select that which data collection method we must follow. Fourth one is planning the sample. So in case of marketing research, sample collection is very much important. Suppose we want to study something on a particular population. Considering our country, we have more than 100 crore of people, and it is impossible to go for a survey for the 100 crore people. So first of all, we must select that which sample size we are looking for. If it is for 10,000, then the design is different, then the planning is also different. And if you are looking for 5,000, then the planning is different. So first of all, we categorize the plan about the sample, that whether the sample is large or whether the sample is small. If the sample size is very large, we must plan accordingly, and if the sample is very small, we must plan as per the sample size. So this point is extremely important considering the steps involved in marketing research process. Now the fifth step is data collection. So considering the data collection process, nowadays we are using several softwares, or we are using internet or other electronic devices. But first of all, we categorize what type of data collection sources we need. Number one, we can collect the data from the internal sources. That means the data which is already present, or that means which is already present in different department of the same company. So from those department, that researcher may collect the data, or from the external sources. If the company, if that particular person who is responsible for this marketing research process, then that particular personnel can collect those data from the internal sources. So these two sources are there. One is internal sources and external sources for collection of data. And after collection of data, the most vital part is the data processing and analysis. And nowadays for data processing, it is very much easy in comparison to the earlier days, because now we have the softwares, we have supercomputers. So thousands of crores of data we can easily analyze within a very short time frame. So data processing and analysis is there, and also we can take help of some statisticians. They are specialists in that particular field. We can take help of that third party and we can process it. And finally, formulating the conclusion, we must keep in our mind that during the formulating the conclusion, what was our objective, that is the main thing. And considering that objective, we have to develop the conclusion. That means whether our conclusion solve that problem or not, that is very much important. And also we have to present the report in a standard format. So these are the 7 steps involved in marketing research process. Thank you for listening.